today is step 2 of restoring my curls and getting healthier hair. As you saw in part 1 in my last video, I'll leave down in the description box if you didn't see it. But I cut all my hair off and I cut it super short, and as you see, by the end of that I was able to get some curls back, and here they are. I just freshly washed my hair because you need to have freshly washed hair. Alright, so step 2, you saturate your hair in this treatment. It's super liquidy, like water basically. So I have it in the spray bottle so it'll be easier for me to saturate my hair and not spill it everywhere. And yeah, so I think it's the spray bottle. Okay, so you want to spray it all up. Make sure you get all of the hair, saturate it all so you know that every single curl is getting the works. Okay, girl, you want to saturate it all, because if you miss a spot, your curls ain't gonna be popping. Okay, so make sure you get it all and comb it out. You want to comb it out while it's wet, not dry. Very important. Okay, you don't want to pull your hair out. So okay, so after I had to put my little cape on because this got really messy. But after you saturate your hair, you so basically you leave it uncovered. You don't want to cover it because it's gonna get super like rock hard. All the protein is gonna just absorb in your hair. So they say you can use a blow dryer, just low to medium heat, and just kind of help speed up the process. I'm not really in a rush, so I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and then I'll blow dry it. I said you don't have to blow dry. I just had somewhere to go and I forgot, so I started blow drying, but just use very little heat because I think it works best. So then step 2 will be adding the moisture back in and putting this in your hair after you rinse this out with warm water. And then I'm going to be leaving this in my hair for about 5 minutes. It says at least 2 minutes. I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes with some black castor oil and leave that in my hair, and after that it should be done and we'll see the final results then. Just wash the protein treatment out. This is my hair right now. It feels really soft and like a little more full than usual, but it's just really soft. So now I have to add in the moisturizing stuff and then leave it in your hair for at least 2 minutes. I really didn't plan this out smartly, but you definitely should part your hair into small sections so that you know you are moisturizing all of your hair. You're not missing any pieces, so all your hair gets moisturized and can get back to life and get ready to curl. Alright guys, so this is like the final product, like semi-final, because my hair is not completely dry. It gets a lot bigger when it's dry, but like, can we talk about the life this gave my hair? You can just see the integrity of my hair just dying to come. Like, look at these fucking curls, bro. Like, that's life. Like, that's what it should have been like all this time, but that's all right. We're gonna work on that. So let's see, my final thoughts on this. I wish I would have left the protein in a lot longer. I feel like that would have made a huge difference, but that's okay because it's for, you can only do it every 6 weeks. So next month when I try doing it, I'm going to tweak it now that I know how it works. I didn't film it, but I did end up putting a mask, they call this a hair mask, on my hair after I left the moisturizer in for like about 5 minutes. I left this in for maybe like 10 minutes, and this is a coconut milk and organic honey hair mask for all types of curls, curl care deep conditioner. So it's supposed to help with frizz and quenching the thirst of dry curls. And of course I added some castor oil to that. So I left that in for about 10 minutes, and I just washed it out and added my normal hair care products, my leave-in conditioner, and just some some olive oil moisturizing lotion in my hair. And this is it, guys. I love it just because this is only the beginning of my journey of getting my hair super curly and just back to life. Like, I love not having, you guys know I'm super lazy, so for me to wake up and just wet my hair and then let it air dry, it's gonna be so great for me because I'm lazy, and this is like gonna be my go-to thing. And like, look at how much life this hair has now. Like, curl, it actually has curl. Oh my gosh, this is amazing, guys. So I can't wait to do it again in a month, or well, maybe like a month and a half, because I don't plan on like being so heavy on stuff with my hair. But yeah, this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my little how-to with this, and showing what it did for my hair. I don't know if you guys think there's a difference, but I can feel the softness in my hair is amazing, and then just how naturally curly it is just, and then to know that this is just the first time I did it, in like first week of me really starting my curly hair journey. So this is fun, this is exciting, I love my hair. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. King is crying now, so I have to go, but I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.